Okay, so you're working with a prospect and they say, hey, this is out of my budget. This is more than we want to pay, whether it's you're trying to sell them a house or some software or whatever it is you're trying to sell them. What you are talking about with them is outside of their budget. Know this, that when it comes to anything, when it comes to any type of budget, a budget cannot exist unless it's compared to something else. So the next time somebody tells you, hey, this is out of my budget, simply say this. Got it. Just out of curiosity, on the budget, compared to what? What you're paying right now, other solutions that you're looking at, or what you were expecting to pay. Notice those are three different things, and those are going to drive you in the right direction. You're going to find that person will open up with you, they'll be more honest with you, and you will keep the discussion moving in the right direction. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.